feeling lost in a sea of receipts and confused about where your money goes. You're not alone, but fear not, financial warrior. Today, we'll become expense tracking champions, learning how to master your money with simple and effective strategy. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at tracking your income and expenses, taking control of your finances, and achieving your financial goals. The importance of tracking. Imagine your finances as a beautiful puzzle. Tracking your income and expenses is like gathering all the pieces. Without a clear picture of where your money flows, it's hard to make informed financial decisions. Tracking empowers you to see your spending habits, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately, reach your financial goals. Maybe you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply want to get a handle on your monthly bills. Whatever your goals, expense tracking is the foundation for financial success. Different tracking methods. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Here are popular tracking methods to choose from, allowing you to find the one that best suits your lifestyle and preferences. Pen and paper. The classic method. Use a notebook or create a spreadsheet to record your income and expenses. Simple and readily available, but can be time-consuming for data entry and analysis. This method might be ideal for those who prefer a hands-on approach and enjoy the act of physically writing things down. Mobile apps. Numerous budgeting apps offer user-friendly interfaces and features like automatic transaction categorization and spending charts. Great for on-the-go tracking and data visualization. With so many options available, you can find an app that integrates seamlessly with your bank accounts and offers features that cater to your specific needs. Look for features like budgeting goals, receipt scanning, and bill reminders. Online budgeting tools. Many banks and financial institutions offer free budgeting tools that integrate with your accounts. Convenient for automatic transaction syncing, but might lack some features of dedicated budgeting apps. If you already bank online and trust your bank security measures, this could be a good option for you. Experiment and find what works best for you. The key is consistency. Track your income and expenses regularly, ideally daily or weekly. Consistency is crucial for building a clear picture of your financial habits and making informed decisions about your money. Step-by-step tracking guide. Ready to become an expense tracking pro? Let's break it down into a simple, actionable plan. Step 1. Gather your data. Collect receipts, bank statements, and any other documentation related to your income and expenses. This might seem daunting at first, but you can start by gathering everything for the past month. Don't worry about going back years. Consistency moving forward is key. Step 2. Choose your tracking method, pen and paper, app, or online tool. Pick your weapon of choice. Consider your lifestyle and preferences. If you're constantly on the go, a mobile app might be ideal. If you enjoy the tactile experience of writing things down, a notebook might work best. Step 3. Categorize your transaction. Group your income, salary, side hustles, and expenses, rent, groceries, entertainment, into relevant categories. This will help you identify areas where you're spending the most money and where you might be able to cut back. Common expense categories include housing, food, transportation, utilities, entertainment, and debt payments. You can also create custom categories to suit your specific needs. Step 4. Analyze and reflect. Review your tracked data regularly. Identify areas of high spending and potential savings opportunity. This is where the magic happens. You gain valuable insights into your financial habits. Are you spending more on eating out than groceries? Are there subscriptions you no longer use? By analyzing your data, you can make informed decisions about where to adjust your spending to reach your financial goals. Pro tips for tracking success. Take your tracking skills to the next level with these pro tips. Set realistic goals. Don't aim for perfection. Consistency is key. Start with small, achievable goals, like tracking your income and expenses for a month. As you get comfortable with the process, you can set more ambitious goals, like reducing your eating out budget or saving a specific amount each month. Automate whenever possible. Many budgeting apps and online tools allow you to connect your bank accounts and credit card. This enables automatic transaction downloads, saving you time and ensuring accuracy by eliminating manual data entry. Schedule regular reviews. Set aside time each week or month to review your tracking data. This could be a quick glance at your app or a more in-depth analysis with your notebook or spreadsheet. Regular review allows you to identify spending patterns, adjust your budget as needed, and stay motivated on your financial journey. Embrace the visuals. Many apps offer charts and graphs that visually represent your income and expenses. This can be a powerful tool for understanding your spending habits. Seeing a pie chart where a large slice represents eating out might be a wake-up call to explore ways to cook more meals at home. Reward yourself. Tracking expenses can feel restrictive at times. Celebrate your milestones. Did you stick to your budget for a month? Did you manage to save a specific amount towards your goal? Reward yourself with a small non-budget busting treat to acknowledge your progress and maintain motivation. Be flexible. Life happens. Unexpected expenses can arise. Don't beat yourself up if you deviate from your budget occasionally. The key is to be aware of your spending patterns and adjust your plan as needed. Reviewing your data can help you identify areas where you can cut back in other categories to compensate for unexpected costs. Track your net worth. Optional net worth is the difference between your assets, what you own, and liabilities, what you owe. While not strictly expense tracking, monitoring your net worth over time can be a motivating factor. Seeing your net worth increase provides a sense of progress on your financial goals. In conclusion, tracking your expenses and income like a pro is essential for achieving financial stability and success. By following the steps outlined in this video and staying disciplined with your tracking, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. Ready to become a financial tracking pro? Start implementing these tips today and watch as your financial health improves. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.